Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from a Forex card to Revolut. First, make sure your Forex card is a Visa or MasterCard. International payments are enabled, there is enough balance available, and the card has not expired. Common Forex cards include HDFC, ICICI, Axis, SBI, BPN, Visa, and similar banks. Next, log into your Revolut account and tap on Add Money. After that, choose the debit or credit card option to continue. Revolut treats Forex cards as international debit cards, so they work the same way as a regular international card. Now, enter your Forex card details including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Once the card details are added, enter the amount you want to transfer. Revolut will show the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you proceed. After reviewing the details, tap on Add Money. If required, complete the OTP or 3D secure verification sent by your card issuer. Once the verification is complete, the money usually appears instantly in your Revolut balance, typically within a few seconds to 2 minutes. Revolut often does not charge a fee for card top-ups, but your Forex card issues may apply FX markup or an international transaction fee. Forex cards with a USD balance generally work best for smooth transfers. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.